Hey guys, how's it going? Unrelenting Eternal Willpower here. It's your host Kyrandis, and today I'm just bringing to you a bartering tool that I've created for public use now. I finally released it. The link is in the description below. Make sure you just make a copy for it for yourself, and this video is just really just about going about how to use it. Very quick here. So the Parley reduction over here, whereas the Parley, just mouse over yourself in BDO. BDO is obviously right here in the background, so just mouse over your barter, and that says 16.56% when I mouse over it, so that's what you put in there. So that's what I have, and it'll automatically calculate everything for you. For the current section here, you really only have to put what your current Parley is left over. You can enable all of these by pressing spacebar by just highlighting it if you want, and then it'll automatically add up and calculate for you. Same with the ocean. However many places there are, I've pretty much marked all the Margorian ocean places for their prices and what they are and when they unlock, and some of the places are certainly always a certain Parley price. However, there is one thing I didn't add into this calculator here. A bit of a disruption there. Alright, so just the boxes here are highlighted. I have the Margorian Ocean Star pretty much on the outpost laid out here as they show up on the map, and some of these don't change at all. The only thing I don't have calculated in the calculator at all is when you refresh and you get a like a money run or whatever. Like everything is like 30 mil from each outpost, so you'll have to do that manually, but this is just pretty much for the regular non money refreshes. So if you add all these up and whatever, it will pretty much tally up. The only thing that doesn't work here is the Old Moon and the Wandering Merchants. I only have them as placeholders for locationary spots, so that this thing is more visually easy to determine where these places are on the map. So when you enable all of this and you write, like, you know, say I have 400,000 Parley, that's pretty much going to leave me over with 104 Parley left given my level up here. So there's not too much you have to change. It's basically just the current section here, the island routes and the Margorian Ocean Star, and your total weight is really all you have to add. And in terms of items over here, you can throw in configurations of items for yourself of like 12, 14. Really, none of these numbers should be ever exceeding 20 or anything like that, or 24 unless you got like an advanced Carrack. But that's pretty much it. So like, you know, it's the location of the outpost is pretty much matching the map over here. So this is pretty much the shipwreck pirates at the bottom down here of this and whatnot, so all the way up here in a triangular form there. So that's pretty much all you have to touch. Don't really have to change anything else. If you don't have a value pack, just erase this number here and put it to 0 at the value pack bonus. Parley reduction, obviously that changes every time you level up. And essentially that's pretty much it. My guild officer mentioned something of a feedback for a reverse calculation loop, but I'm not going to put that in there. If you really want something like that, you can put it yourself. But this is pretty much, I'm satisfied with this, and I'm okay with publishing this to everybody now. So I hope this tool helps you out for your bartering needs, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now. Peace.